addition to having a wonderful day out, they get to learn these amazing things and see these places that they never knew existed. And they probably wouldn't have discovered if they had have gone out on their own. Hi, I'm Joel McPherson, the owner and operator of Joel's Journeys. Joel's Journeys is about providing a great day out for people that's fun, educational, experiential, and just a memorable time. We directly support 35 businesses across all our tours, including places like Belmondo's, Amrita Park Meadery and many more. So on our Secrets of Noosa tour, we start off with a visit to Belmondo's. Belmondo's are great on many fronts. One is that they support a number of local producers. They're really particular about the integrity of the food they sell there, the craftsmanship of the products they sell, and that's built a real trust in the community. One of the great things that Belmondo's does is use the food from the market in their deli, and that reduces waste. So food that would otherwise not be sellable and have to maybe get thrown out can be used to make food in the deli. So on our Noosa Inland tour, we visit Amrita Park Meadery. Andy and Nicola take our guests through a wonderful mead tasting, and mead is made by combining water, yeast and honey as a fermentable sugar source. At the back of their property they have beehives. All the plants on the property are being planted themselves. They're all native plants. But it delights us to be able to connect all the different slow food producers in the area together on a tour, and that really makes us feel a big part of the slow food movement, which really aligns with our values. What we hope people get from our tours is a little bit of an education and an awareness of how things can be done better.